guys, I just did a video rubber band powered car using old vinyl records, singles, 45s, that's the wheels, and I did mention that I was going to have a go at making wheels out of paper plates instead, because I get regular requests for what else can I use for wheels, because I normally just use CDs because they suit me and they work fine. So this episode we're going to make some wheels out of paper plates. I think this 25 pack cost me £1, something like that. Oh, in Tesco. Normally buy stuff in Poundland. I must have been in Tesco for some reason. So, 2 plates I'm going to use for each wheel. That's just one. You could just drill a hole in the middle or push a hole in the middle and use that as your wheel. The only problem is that it will rock around quite a bit. So there's a couple of options. You could cut a disc of thicker cardboard and use that to strengthen the centre section, or you could glue 2 of these together. Or even tape them. Your biggest problem will be finding the centre, because you need the axle to go through right in the centre, otherwise the wheels will wobble around quite a bit. One option for finding the centre was have one of these plates as a sacrifice, fold it in half, and then fold it in half the other way, and that cross in the middle should be in the middle. If you then use that as your marker, putting the holes through the other ones, you should be okay. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better than just a guess. Right, so I want 8 plates, 4 wheels, 2 on each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 'small enough, 6, 7, 8, that should be 8. And then that one to mark the middle, something to put a hole through so we don't make a mess of the table. And that should be the middle. And the next thing is joining them together. So you could glue them or tape them. I'll tell you what, those holes are not going to line up whatever you do. Because there's too much flex in the plate. I wonder what sort of glue we can use. My first choice at the moment is always Superglue because it makes the job quick. But you may find the plates have got some sort of waxy coating and the glue won't take. These look all right. If you get super glue on your fingers, don't panic. Just work on them slowly and you'll get your fingers apart again. So we'll try this with super glue. If it doesn't work, then we'll use something else. Doesn't feel like it's working to me. Of interest. Oh, don't look bad. Right, I will persevere and super glue the others together. But if super glue doesn't work for you, then you could wrap tape round or any other type of glue of your choice. The contact glues are quite good. The ones you push on one side, push them together, pull them apart, let them dry, then push them back together. Yoo-hoo is one brand, but there'll be plenty of other can't even get the word out. Brands. Contact glue. Oh, we've got 4 wheels now. Some of them looked a little bit wobbly. So we'll reuse this fella, if I can get it apart. Oh, that one's way out of line. Oh dear. If I straighten it up and then glue it, I think that's what I'll have to do. I think my other suggestion of using a thick piece of cardboard to strengthen the centre might have been a better idea. Okay, we'll let that glue dry before we push it in there because we don't want to glue it to the side of the car. How's that one look? Well, that one looks fine. Right, I'll get on and do that with all 4 wheels and then we'll have a look at the finished result. I don't look too far offline. So, paper plate wheels. See if we can make them work. And we go into the right again. Right, with this particular car I can adjust the steering by just tapping the end so the rods move, or I can just point it a bit more to the left when we launch it. I think I am going to have to adjust that. So all I need to do is tap just behind there to push the purple bit along the rod. You can see, you might be able to see there's a little line, white line just there. I don't think the camera's picking it up. Right, well, if you couldn't see the white line before, you can probably see it now. So I've just pushed this bit along to turn the steering to the left. I expect it will turn left now, so I'll point it right a little bit. Oh, that's actually going straight. So, my paper plate wheels work. We'll see if we can hit the camera with it. Still plenty of turns left on there, we could have gone much further. So, there we go. Paper plate wheels. Not top of my recommendations, but if you're stuck, they will work.